Hi guys, welcome to the promised video. Yes, this is a video I promised you guys I'm going to make. That is, if you watched my previous video, that was actually on my social media platforms. You can go check it out. I'm Emmanuel. Yes, today we actually just going to do a live practical on that video. And I told you I was going to make a live practical. So I want you to go and watch that video. That's why I'm not going to mention everything I want to do here. So, although I don't actually yet have an idea of what we are going to build today, but just trust me. Give me like few seconds. I'm going to cook up something. So, I want to use my PC. I'm going to use my phone, so it actually feels relatable to people. So, you can build on your phone. So, the apps I'm going to use now, I'm not going to mention your name, but I'm going to show you a screen recording. So, let me start the screen recording. So, this video is not sponsored by anybody. Even the clothes I'm wearing, no, it's not sponsored by anybody. So now I started the screen record. So the first app you're going to need is this app, or you can find any app similar to that can actually put your code, actually run it. So before you can actually host it, there'll be other videos actually be able to host your projects, or but this video is just centric on how to actually get something working, obviously. So you're going to need an app first. Then second, you can use only this app here, only this app. So this app are easy for architecture and all sort of things like that. So then this app are easy for coding, like it actually works well with UI. Or this one, so it gets all right. So I already created a file on the red app here. So I already created a project. So we are going to make something, but I don't even know what to make yet. So what are we going to make today exactly? That's what I'm thinking of. Yeah, what are we going to make? Uh, let's just make a simple website. Not that you cannot make any other thing exactly. So now I'm going to pour out my idea. Please watch the video, because I'm not going to explain all this thing again. Watch the video. So the details are going to be displayed on the screen. Whatever. Alright, so I want to make a website. Yes, I want to make a website. Yeah, just using this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, no backend, nothing. So I just want to make a website like for a business now. I want to make a website about a store. A store, like we sell shoes. You understand? We sell shoes. So I want a front end to do like for that. So what I want to build in this website is just you get the idea of a website. Yeah, you get the raw prompt. So you get the idea of a website. So I want the whole page to actually like say we sell shoes. These are the shoes we sell. This year's experience. Blah 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 blah. Then talk about ourselves, that we are about that this is something something something. We are located here. This that. So you should have you can make the logo, or it's just a simple text or something like that. You just put there. Then a menu bar that will actually like lead them to the pages. Then the footer also actually lead them to the pages, like the about page, the contact page. You understand? So we are just going to make it like 3 pages now. So the home page, about page, and something like that. So that's just it. So do you understand anything, or should we like? So now we're using the lazy method. Lazy method will actually check if we that's just going to make us feel more lazy. I'm just going to ask it that if there's anything it's not getting correctly, it should ask me, instead of me waiting for it to actually say everything. I will not ask you the question. So if there is anything you don't understand about what I'm saying, please just let me know. So that's what the lazy method is all about. Please watch the video. I'm actually begging you. So now you can see you want a simple front end website for shoe store, no back end, just so hero section we sell shoe, feature shoe images or placeholder, 7 shoes is so about intro blog, location, general, menu, footer, about page, contact. We assume this is the third. Yeah, it's actually the third. So logo, then focus on content structure and feel, not functionality like purchasing. Yes, yes. uh Now these are not the questions you should be asking now. Hmm? So that's why we need to clarify. So we can actually get images from anywhere. You know where you can get images from. So we just get images about shoe from anywhere. We can get from Wikipedia, anything, anywhere, anywhere we can get images from. I don't want to mention those places. So anywhere we can get images from, can just do that. Just get the images from. So it should be mobile friendly and also have the desktop feel. So yes, logo can be text for now. Menu bar and footer link to all pages. Yes, 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 yes. So the home page, I want it to actually be just a simple page that has like header. We sell shoes. What's your size exactly? Like what's your size? We sell no, we sell shoes. What's your size? So when you go down again, you just show a little hint about the about page. Then from that about, now we now like there just be like call to action button there that just link to the about page. There what kind of shoes do we make? And get that will just show like a little bit hint. I'll take them to the services page. Oh no, we don't even need the service page. I'll just tell them what kind of shoes we make, you understand? So then how can they contact us? Just take them to the contacts page where you just get what I'm saying. So do you understand? So that's why I actually confirm whether I understand what I'm saying. So because this is just live training, I would actually I will not see everything needed. So you can watch from other videos I mean, but this is just my first video, so I need to make it snappy and like give you knowledge, not just that. So okay, so it actually gets the structure. Yeah, 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 yeah. So it's really saying I can make a ready to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript template for all three pages. Replace other images already included, fully responsive. I'm not going to do that. Though you can say it makes work faster, this, that, but go and watch my video. You understand why I'm not going to do that. So I want a system architecture prompt. Yes, I want the system architecture prompts to actually have an overview of the structure. You understand? I can give any AI builder to actually build it for me. Then after that, I also want a face by face, like for each page, and they should look similar. They should look similar, but just the content in the page that looks different. So for the home page, for the about, for the contact page. So I want that contact page to actually just have like options like cards, like call. You can call options like emailing. It's like 4 or 5 options in different cards. That's just it. And the about just says, okay, we have been selling shoes for this long. This. We just typical about thing. This. You understand? So then the home page very attractive. Just have little hints that can lead the like people with a CTA button that can lead them to the other pages. And the menu bar, the logo can be a text for now. So I just need 4 prompts like that. I need 4 prompts. So now I ask for the prompts I need. I ask for the prompt I need. I ask for 4. So it's giving me the system architecture overview prompts. So now you can see the prompts of everything. So these 4 prompts now, I actually, because this is not I'm not trying to build a real product right now. I'm just trying to show you that you can build things. But come on, let's just let's make the good of this, or let's make the best of this where we are doing. So I take my system architecture prompt, I copy it, I go over to DeepSeek. Go back to DeepSeek. I was already working on something before, so select someone called this. I was working on something before, so that was why. So now this is my system architecture prompt. So I'm going to highlight that I have let me type my hand. I have what do I call it? The face by face prompts, face by face prompts. So do not build anything yet. Anything yet. Just confirm what you understand and don't. So that way it doesn't build anything. So I purposely left the think and search feature on because I wanted to go and check online to actually see, because I don't really have more idea about shoes, you understand. So I just randomly picked it, like during the course of this video I just randomly picked it. So now it's finished giving me some. Okay, it gave me the system architecture overview, static. Like after I got it, it also like expatiated more on it. So I actually like everything it says, so I don't need to correct anything here. So what I'm going to do now is go get my home page so you can make the home page for me. So this is the home page prompt. Okay, so now make the home page. Yes, make the home page. Now this is the home page. You know, most people say, okay, let me just bring all the prompts together. Trust me, it may look fast but doesn't work well at all. So I left the thinking on so you can actually get it. So after it's done with this home page, I'm going to off the thinking and search so you can actually be very fast at that, because we don't have all the time in the world to be watching my video doing this thing. So it actually even made a name, because I didn't even give it a name yet. So it actually made a name. So let's see, just wait for a bit. Just even got images from, you can see it on the screen, I'm not going to mention it. So now it's already making the HTML. Oh sorry, you can even see it on the screen here. So it's making the HTML page. So let me go to web code and actually show you. I already created a project, so I just titled it project. So it's actually give us an HTML file. Now I'm going to overwrite now. I'm begging you watch the video. So now let's see. So I just put in the code now and I run it, but let me show you how I did it. So after I got the code, I just copied it, then I placed it here so you can see the code. All right, so you can see how it's run. So I'm just running it on my web browser. So we sell shoe, which is, it wasn't able to get this image, so I'm not this thing. Wow, you can see. So let's go make the about and the contact page. All right, so I'm going to go back to the white app and go back to here. So I'm coming back here. So I'm going to go to about page prompts. I'm going to come to here. So I'm going to give it this. So while it's working on that, let's go to our code. So let us see some breakdowns there, because let us see some breakage there, because we didn't give it the prompt of those other apps, and it actually gave us a note down there that the pages are actually they're actually not in the, okay, it's actually there. So I just need to create a file called about HTML so to actually work. Then there's no services page obviously, so we didn't make a service page. So the things are there. So then there's now a contact page. So that's just it. So after this, we just need to make the contact page. So let's get so right now I just got my uh about page. So I want to create a new file, HTML file. So I'm just going to call this about.html. I want to make it aligned so that the page can work together. I didn't write .html because it's HTML file I'm creating. So here I'm going to overwrite this, select all, clear, and then paste. So let us see how the about page looks like and see if it actually links to the home page. So now, so style, rooted in comfort, blah blah blah, drive, Houston, Texas. Okay, all started as a small family workshop in 1985. Going to in 2022, we opened our first. Wow, lies. We offer blah 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 blah. Maya Chen, founder and feed specialist. David Okafor, head of sourcing. We found images, but doesn't concern me. So you can actually, if you're actually building something real, you just change the images there, change the name. So that those things are easy. You're not coding anymore. You're just writing. That is, so we've gotten the about page. Let's see if the hamburger menu works. Let's go home. So you see the home page works. So the last thing, let's go and get our contacts page. So I'm going to come over here to find the contact page prompt. I'm going to come here, give it to it. Yes. So now while we are waiting for the contact page prompt, I already did the explanation already. I'm mentioning the video again. Please help me watch the video. I already made the explanation, everything. Though it's not as comprehensive as what I promised in this video. So I didn't want to talk too much again because people don't like listening to talk too much. So that's why I'm doing a live explanation like this, that you can actually see me building the thing. You can actually see me building it. So that's why I did that. So let me start screen record again so you can actually see the things from my phone. You get. So it's actually still building the last part of it. So when I finish the last part, I'm not even going to do anything. I'm just going to put it in a new file there. Then I'm just going to show you the screen recording of the site I just finished building. So then we just do a little bit of talking, then that's the end of the video. You get. So I'm just waiting for the code to finish. Okay, it's almost done already. So just in about 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's done. Wow, I was so nice. So I said notes. This is contact page, home page, and HTML about should exist separately. So yeah, that was our plan. So I'm going to copy this code now. So yes, I'm going to come over here. So I'll create a new file, HTML file. So I'm going to write contact all lowercase so that everything can work all together. Contact. So create. So I'm going to overwrite this one, select all, cut. I'm going to write here, paste. Now, okay, you can see. So let me go back to index HTML. I'll do like this. Then I'll go to my browser. I'm just opening browser. So as I open it in browser now it gets like a nice site. We get a nice site. Say we sell shoes. What's your size? So now you get shoes, footwear, blah 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 blah. So now about our journey goes to our about page, rooted in comfort driven. So now we can see in 2022 we opened our first retail space. In 1985 grill, blah 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 blah, images of people, customer experience. So let's go to our contact page. So now we see, all right, normally we can actually put something there, but this is just a video showing you a demonstration. That's what I said. So I'm actually going to make a video that I'm actually going to enhance or build something else. Exactly, build something else that actually makes sense. Not that this doesn't make sense, but this is not production grade. This is just to show you, or if you feel my promise that this is actually possible, and show you that oh, you can actually build something like an AI. And most people already do. So like I do. I build apps already, but I'm not going to show you what I build until they are out already. Yeah, I actually built one. So the URL is on your screen now. You see the URL what I built, so you can go check that one out. It was also made entirely, yes, when I was like coding. So that's just it. Just check it out. Give me your feedback. You can just comment here, or like share your feedback to my studio, EML Tech Studio. And this video was possible, though it's me, just me. But without the help of all these things, my gadgets, everything, I couldn't do it. And you watching this video, thank you very much for watching it. So I guess that I was just going to give a little talk. So please watch that video, and when you come back, you'll be able to understand that this is exactly what I was saying in that video. So about the mistake that overwriting a working code, yes, you should not do that, because now as I have this now, okay, this thing isn't working like this, and now go back to AI. I'm not going to show you that here. Maybe in another video I'll show you that. So I have to go to AI and say, okay, like, give me a new file that, okay, this, and I come there, I overwrite the code. I'm not supposed to do that. I'm supposed to create a new file for that, and I keep that one there. So also of this like that will be explained in another video I'm promising to make. Thank you very much for giving me your time. I'm Emmanuel. So you can see the video on my profile. The details will be showed on your screen. Thank you very much for watching it. All right, have a nice day. You're welcome.